Tesla successfully hacked using a drone. Foxcon has a COVID-19 incident. Clubhouse finally comes to Android, sort of, and more in today's tech news. Today, Apple has announced that it is awarding $45 million from its Advanced Manufacturing Fund to Corning Incorporated. Corning Incorporated is a supplier of precision glass for iPhone, Apple Watch and iPad, and the funding will expand Corning's manufacturing capacity in the US and drive research and development into innovative and new technologies that support durability and long-lasting product life, building on both Apple and Corning's deep commitment to protecting the environment. Corning has already received $450 million from Apple's $5 billion Advanced Manufacturing Fund over the last 4 years. Apple's investment helps support more than 1,000 jobs across Corning's US operations in Kentucky and other facilities. Apple then goes on to say that the investment has also helped facilitate research and development into state-of-the-art glass process, which led to the creation of Ceramic Shield, a new material that is tougher than any other smartphone glass. Apple and Corning have a long history of working together to accomplish the impossible, said Jeff Williams, Apple's Chief Operation Officer. From the very first iPhone glass to the revolutionary ceramic shield of the iPhone 12 lineup, our collaboration has changed the landscape of smartphone cover design and durability. So that has just come out with Apple Newsroom a few moments ago. On Saturday, Foxconn confirmed that 10 Chinese engineers based at its Chennai facility have been affected with COVID-19. The discovery following tests of staff led to the affected workers being quarantined at a local hospital. After the discovery was made, the factory was disinfected but still continued to operate, reports from Taiwan News. And this doesn't say at the moment what the effects will be on the supply chain. However, it may have a slightly adverse effect on production of iPhones and the upcoming latest iPhones yet to be announced. Clubhouse has officially arrived on Android in the US only at the moment. It's currently in beta ahead of a wider rollout. Up until today, it's been iOS only, but with other competitors such as Twitter already coming to Android and iOS, this may be a little too late.
Today's episode is sponsored by Creatively Social. Creatively Social helps you in building your social media platforms for your business to thrive. By helping you to provide fresh content, marketing, and engagement for your business, taking the pressure off you. Save yourself hours in your day for a better work-life balance. Get in touch at creativelysocialvia.com.
Today we released a bonus episode of our review of the M1 Mac Mini, and in there we mentioned how you can get a refurbished M1 for around about £110 saving. Currently there is an offer on Amazon where you can pick up a brand new Apple Mac Mini with the M1 chip, 8 gigs of RAM, 256 gigabytes SSD storage, and you can save that £51 on there, which is currently coming in at £648, and we will put a link in the description to that deal as well. A pair of security researchers have found a shocking vulnerability in Tesla's software that has actually allowed them to tap in and control the car's software using a drone. The team were able to hijack its touchscreen infotainment system to tinker with various driving settings, move the chair around, and even most dangerously unlock and open the car's doors and trunks. Thankfully, the hackers have already reached out to Tesla and gave the automaker time to fix the security holes before they went public with the exploit, which they named T-Bone and shared it online last week. Well, that's it for today, guys. Thanks for listening, and I'll catch you on the next episode.